Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we will show you how to remove and replace that little storage compartment on BMW E46. That's a weak spot. They break sometimes, they don't close or open all the way. Okay, so we're going to demonstrate how to do it now. As you know, we have that E46 here at the shop, and that's our project on World Mechanics, guys, our main channel. Check it out, feel free to check it out. Amazing videos coming soon. Let's go ahead and start on this one now. Please subscribe, let's grow the channel together, and let's go ahead now. Okay guys, so now we're using a prying tool. You can get those very inexpensive, like for $2, 10 of them. This one's seen better days, it's broken, but you can actually use a screwdriver if you put electrical tape around it so you don't hurt your trim piece. Okay, so in order to remove it now, okay, let me get the light on so you can see a little bit better. Right here, we need to come on the side, okay, and pry it like that. Then you need to, it has one on this side, but it wasn't holding so much. Okay, and that's the whole assembly. You can see how freaking easy that thing is. Okay, and this one is working, but it's all scratched up. We don't like it, as you can see, and that's how it is, guys. Okay, that's the little gears that control it and stuff. It is fixable. You can take it apart if something's broken, and you can mess with those. There is a spring right here, but it's not as easy, to be honest with you. And ours works, but as I told you, we just don't like the look of it. So when you get a new one, guys, all you have to do, you just get it and press it in like that. Okay, and it clicks in, and that's it. Super easy. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.